बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट और मोस्ट पीरियड जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चन शेयर करूंगा जो कि पास्ट पेपर से लिए गए हैं। इंशाल्लाह ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव होने वाली है। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर दें। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट इज़ द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ वाइट ब्लड सेल्स? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी। Which of the following is a male reproductive organ? The correct option is option B. Next question is, what is the unit of the human nervous system? The correct option is option B. Next question is, what is the SI unit of temperature? The correct option is option C. Next question is, what is the largest gland in human body? The correct option is option B. Question is, what is the end part of the stomach? The correct option is option C. Next question is, what is the ratio of water in the human body? The correct option is option A. Next question is, how many bones are there in the human skull? The correct option is option B. Next question is, the important function of dash is to make food. The correct option is option A. And the exchange of oxygen between blood and air takes place in the dash. The correct option is option A. Next question is, light cannot pass through which of the following? The correct option is option D. Next question is, smallest cell in the human body is known as dash. The correct option is option C. Next question is, the density of a gas increased in dash. The correct option is option B. Question is, the SI unit of heart is the SI unit of heat's dash. The correct option is option C. Next question is, the most dense substance on earth is dash. The correct option is option D. Next question is, radioactivity was discovered by dash. The correct option is option D. Next question is, the primary colors of pigment are dash. The correct option is option A. The cerebellum is in which part of the brain? The correct option is option A. Next question is, who is considered the founder of the meteorology? The correct option is option A. Next question is, the source of oxygen in photosynthesis is dash. The correct option is option A. Next question is, year is the longest on dash planet. The correct option is option D. Oxidation is a chemical reaction involving the dash. The correct option is option B. अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाइक